today at Woodsprings 2010, and Richard's brought along a very special plane.
Yes, they are two Boeing Stearman trainer aircraft with a slight variation. They've got two wing walkers on top.
Right then, and what do the wing walkers do?
They are fully operational. They've got 5 servos in them that operate all the legs, the arms, and also turns the head. One is Sarah and one is Danielle. They are about 30% scale. We can wave their arms, they can kick their legs. They also rotate in their seat, stroke harness. They go upside down. Basically, we can simulate most of what they do on the full size. It can be either individually operated, each girl can be individually, or one person operator can operate both of them, depending on what we're going to do for the flight. This is their very first show anywhere in the UK or the world.
Now, we have 3 people controlling what's going on out here, 2 pilots. Young ladies on top of the airplane, flying the airplane itself.
Right then, we're joined today by Sarah Tanner, who is a real-life wing walker, who the doll behind us is based on. Sarah, how long have you been wing walking?
This is my 5th season wing walking. 5th season with the team.
Excellent.
I started with Edius, then it went on to Gino Skincare, and now we're sponsored by the watch company Breitling.
And how many years does each sponsor you for usually?
It really depends on the sponsorship, really. The first Crunchy was about 9 years, Utterly 9 years, Gino is only 3, but we're hoping that Breitling are going to sponsor us for quite a few years. We've actually got 5 Stearmans altogether, so we're hoping that they're going to sponsor the whole fleet like previous sponsors have.